Hello, my name is Darla Andrew with Rent Portland Homes by Darla Andrew, and I'm here today. We're helping out, our team is helping out a new owner with a home that a tenant left in a little rough condition. We have Jesse here from Pumpkin Ridge Construction that we have in-house, that he's working on the yard, so we arrive, we get things done. We also have Clean Break, one of our wonderful vendors, that he's here cleaning the carpets and cleaning the interior of the home, completely disinfecting everything, and we'll get everything done same day on this house. Hi, I'm here with Jesse, the manager of our construction division, and I just want to talk to you, Jess, a little bit today. I know it's been really busy on move-ins and move-outs right now, so just to have a day in the life of Jesse here at Rent Portland Homes. I mean, you're mowing yards today, you're cleaning up, you've got people cleaning, we've got the construction division and everything going. I know you've already been at a home this morning at 7 a.m. working on it, maybe even a little earlier,
Yep.
And we'll be working till late tonight. So just kind of tell us a little bit about what you do.
I go through the house, do an initial inspection, look for things like paint touch-ups that need to happen. I inspect the smoke detectors, make sure those are within the guidelines, manufacturer date for 10 years. I check everything, check the landscaping, check leaks under the sinks, plumbing, make sure everything is ready for the next tenant.
So I'm here with Hector today with Clean Break Cleaning. And Hector is our number one managing cleaning company. They come in, they disinfect the houses and make sure that when tenants move in, the house is completely clean. And I just want to talk to Hector a little bit and see, Hector, if you could tell people what you do to a home, how you clean it, and how you get it ready and prepped for professional cleaning for the tenants.
Absolutely. The first time that we came in, I bring a crew of people with me, and we take care of everything on the house. We clean windows, we clean all the appliances in the house, we clean the floors, we taking care of all the laundry, whatever is needed, with walls, if it's needed a little bit of touch up, baseboards, everything. Also, we provide a carpet cleaning, okay? We do a deep carpet cleaning, also do a carpet repair. So if the unit or the house needs some repairs, we can take care of that, everything at the same day, same one stop. Total house cleaning one day. That's what we do.
That's why we couldn't do it without him here at Rent Portland Homes, and I appreciate you, Hector, and all your hard work.
Thank you very much.